Blood.
I won my last match. Awesome.
Si Goku Blood oh.
Let's fight together.
Blood Super Saiyan Blue Blood oh.
I got 5 eliminations just now. Awesome.
Sabi niya kanina, Papa, ay, sabi Papa niya, alis na ako ulit sa... Sino? Bad trip ka kay Papa mo? Ano, labas ka to kanini, oh. Basa ka na, kumuha ka to. Kumuha ka na damit doon. Basa ka na, basa ka na.
The fuck?
Kumuha ka na dito. Ito ka sa labahan. Papayag kay Papa mo damit.
Patayin ko na TV team yan.
Ha?
Patayin ko na.
Nilalabas sa sulas.
I fell
Patay na
down.
ako dito man.
I got your back, bro. Thank you.
Yung kuanta?
Boy.
Watch out.
Uy, gogo.
Nandun sila sa labas sila.
Nasaan?
Nasa hagdan. Nakabak.
Yup, nasagdan nga. Nasagdan nga, boy.
Kulay ka na din, bro. Wakat sila.
Saan tayo?
Kasan sa kulay?
Power plant.
Suklay ko ka.
No.
Suklay ka. Nakakasip. Balik ka na.
Wala, loaded na dito, boy.
Balik
Ba't
ka
kasi
na.
pumunta ka dun sa event?
Halika dito, halika.
Anong pinanggagawa mo?
Wala. Masaya kasi doon eh.
Ay, ano to?
Gusto mong masampal?
Dito! Hindi ako panty to. Sino kumuha niyan? Yan. Deng! Kaya na naman, nilabas mo na naman yun.
Rabay. Boom.
Oh. Money.
Oh.
Hihihi.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hindi yan! Hindi yan. Asan papa mo? Tusa mo, tusa mo. Tusa mo, sabi mo kuha ka ng damit. Oo.
Okay, boy,
Sabihin mo.
maghanap muna akong bala, boy.
Sige lang.
Dadanan mo pa kayo. Kuhanan. Hindi na.
Tao.
Sakit nun ah.
Oh shit. Look across.
Oh boy.
Okay,
May
time to go.
ano? May ano sila? May crate.
Tao dito eh.
Oh, yep, may tao nga, bad. Uy, 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 blood, ano yan?
Magic.
This one. Lagging.
Awesome.
Blood, I'm lagging.
Okay lang yan.
Alexa! Alexa!
Oh. Oh, thank you.
Saan na? Fix mo damit yan.
Oh, dalawa times 6 blood, oh.
Huwag ka na naglaro ng tubig ha. Sige, pagkain ka pa.
Meron na.
ng tubig. Surprise. Dalawa.
Oh, may times 4.
Nakasa
Akin galing
may
eh.
bariya ka pa dun eh.
Okay, I might die.
10 lang to, kulang. May bariya ka pa.
Kaya niya yan.
May ano dito. Gilid.
Sino kuha na itong damit na to? Wag na yan, panty na.
Patay.
Sino kuha na ito?
Oh shit.
Papa. Papa ba?
No,
Nigga, go, 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 nigga, go, 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 go.
may kotse.
Oh, hindi.
Climb, 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 climb.
Ay. Oo nga, yan. Nabili ko.
Okay, go, run!
Mali, kasi Alexa.
Gago, naglibagod.
Tara, revive natin.
Fuck, may crate na naman sa gilid.
Revive natin, boy.
Nag-leave na nga, re-revive mo pa.
Oo.
Ano kaya, Tino, pera na siya.
Hmm.
Ay, na ako. Ikaw na, sukulan mo na ito. Bubuwa.
Patay. Yung blood. Blood, tara na blood. Dali, recall tower.
Mick, kita mo yun? Punta mo, gusto mo.
Hindi sa iba. Dali.
Please recall me. Got it.
Layo.
Come on. Ayun o. Outside sa zone. Sige blood. Revive ko muna to.
Oh shit, I'm being shot at.
Good luck, nigga. Tuloy mo yan.
I'm trying.
Please recall
Wala
me. Got
nakatago.
it.
I got you, homie.
I'm recalling a teammate. Thanks.
I'm coming back, blood.
Now we're
You
gonna
might
have to
die.
face them. Now I'm gonna die. Aray ko, gag.
Blood, may... Nice.
Awesome.
Tinatambay na kayo niya.
Oh, masakit. Oh, masakit. Oh, masakit. Nice one.
Awesome.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh, you're too far now, bruh. Oh, si number 3 pala yun. Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh, blood. Ito, tinatiming ko na, blood, ah. Fuck.
I'm gonna die.
Keep going.
Hold it.
May tao sa harap.
Ow. Sakit. Sakit.
May tao dyan sa shock na yun, sa shock. Sa shock. Sa shock, may tao sa shock. Sige,
Ikaw na
magkumpulan kayo
bumaril.
dito.
Ikaw na bumaril. You might die. You are gonna die. Oh, I'm dead.
Sige,
I have died.
kumpulan.
Ba't kasi hindi mo sinabi may tao pala doon? Nice.
Lock mo sa baba.
Dang it.
Yan. Okay na, okay na, okay na yan. Sige, tulak mo lang tulak mo lang. Itulak mo lang, okay lang yan, itulak mo.
Ba't huwag mo nalagay yung random? Tayong dalawa na lang.
Yan, push mo, yan, okay na yan.
Na-minusan ka? Blood. Okay. Ay, di ko natanggal. Punta kay Santa. Blood,
Bakit?
punta kay Santa.
Hindi ako.
Yaw. Ay, bawal. Ilan minus mo? Huwag ka na magalit. The fuck are we going? Oo, may squad. Gabay, kaya mo na yan? Boy. Boy, kaya mo na yan? Oh! Okay, good luck!
Don't give up. Your teammates can Please recall me.
Babalikan ko yun. Damn it.
I'm recalling a teammate.
Aha!
Thanks.
Panyaw. The fuck? What? Blood. Blood.
Bakit?
Ay, oops. May MK o ayaw mo?
Wala akong M4.
Wala akong pera. Ano ba yan?
I got supplies.
Bala lang ang kailangan ko. Wait, meron pa. Ay, wala na pala yung fireworks. Sayang.
Hindi, nandiyan na tayong pusa. Tumakbo na naman.
May naglanding.
Pusa maliit. Asan ang pusa maliit?
I almost die.
Tumakbo dyan.
May bala.
I got supplies.
Yan. Yan. Yan na.
Meron ba?
Yung pusa natin.
Lock. Nice one.
Awesome.
Blood.
Bakit?
May nagsasalita. Uy, may tao.
Awesome.
Times 4 finally.
Marked a location.
Oops. Ay, gasto.
Awesome.
Ayaw nga pala, no? May pera ka pa? Penga ako piso.
8.
Penga ako piso.
Kaya mo dyan.
Oh. Nice.
Tao.
You can do it. Nice.
Wawa. Ano to? Oh, grusa. Tapos P90 dito.
Okay. P90 it is. Madaming bala. Oh boy. Kawawa naman yun. 4 na lang yung bala na nasa ano niya. Nasa P90 niya. Mamamatay ka na sana.
Ha? Hindi naman yata tinamaan eh.
Oh,
Yung dumadaan pa lang siya, tinatamaan ko na eh.
kinakabayo.
Nandat mo na ka. Wala ka pa dyan, Rio?
Sana may magdaanan tayo ba?
Dito ka kayo tatalian.
Right bun. Wala pa kayong schedule?
Ano yun mo?
Wala.
Hindi ko maabot. Di ba tangkad ka na? Si
Nice one. Wala na kaming pasok tuwing Friday.
Hindi tayo ng pangkulot na ano.
Nabawasan na pasok namin.
Saan? All.
Kaso parang ganun pa rin eh. Umaga pa rin kami. Nakakatamad pa rin eh. Anong gamit mong karakter? Babae, lalaki?
Babae.
So I'm not the only one.
Ano naman yan?
Mahal, binili ko to eh. Gagamitin ko.
Tingin mama?
Ay, yan ba yung ano?
Tingin mama?
Si ano? Babae. Nakalimutan ko pangalan.
Tingin nga.
I'm all good. Oops.
Bili nga ako times 6.
Ako din nga. Ay, wala. Kulang pera ko. Never mind.
Magkano?
Dos. Ay, tres.
9 ah.
Nice.
9.
Ba't ang bait mo?
Fuck, bumili pa ako ng ano. Suppressor. Tignan mo nasa lapag.
Nice one. Ay, akin na lang to. Let's go.
Akit tayo.
Where? Oh, doon.
Ayun o. Tapos niyan. Oh, I see someone.
Patay. Balikan mo, boy. Ay, wag na.
Ah, shit, I'm
Ah,
not
never mind,
driving.
never mind. Never mind. Uy, dalawa na sila, boy.
Oh, fuck, reloading. Gago, dito na ang iba. Nahuli ka.
Boy, we're surrounded.
No!
Mark the location.
We're surrounded. Oh. Taktin that, pinatay ko na lang yan, no.
Damn.
Sayang. Oh, mag-i-ace 4 na ako.
Mag-ace master ka yun.
Kung aabot.
Hanggang 5 lang naman eh.
Kung aabot.
Ayaw ko na mag-irangle eh, sayang.
Wait lang, tanggalin ko to. Yo. Okay, let's go.
January 3 update.
Can you teach me how to doggy?
Okay, hindi na lang. Magle-level 3 na yung ano ko. Ay, magle-level 4 na yung Christmas tree.
Nice.
Makakuha ko na yung mga emote.
May emote sa Christmas tree?
Oh, pag level 4 na. Di ba, pag inaalag mo may nalalaglag.
Hmm.
I'm made the top 3 just now.
Baka pag mag-ace master ako, baka bumalik si JJ.
I got the triple elimination medal.
Alam mo na,
Awesome.
huwag mo i-finish agad kapag di namang kailangan.
Wala, di ka nga
Unahin
bumalik.
mo yung nakatayo. Unahin mo kasi nakatayo.
Wala naman ako finish eh. Hindi ko lang siya pininish, yun. Hindi ko siya ni-knockdown. Nagtago kasi dat hinabol ko na lang.
Ba't di mo pininish?
Hindi nagtago dat hinabol ko na. Kung hinabol ko, baka nagtago pa ako. May bumabaril kasi sa likod ko eh.
Patay na yun.
Hindi, may bumabaril sa likod ko yung bago. Surrounded tayo, sayang. Wow. Tapang mo, boy. Kabilas mo. Bakit nilalagay mo pa sa hashtag yung ano? Ocean Odyssey.
Naka-random yun.
Diretso na ako sa bahay. Never mind, may quick detour pa.
Oh shit, oh shit.
No!
Marked a location.
Sige, malis na, malis na.
Come here, nigga.
Gusto ko, gago, di ko makita yung nangyayari. Yung camera, glitch ulit.
Watch
Meron
out.
dito.
Watch
May
out.
tao.
Dalawa.
Magkalaban sila. Takbo ka agad sa taas, takbo agad sa ano, Joe. I see him.
Gag. Ilang beses ko nakita sila.
Naano ka ngayon, boy?
Gago. Ilang beses natin nakita silang puto.
Patay. Ayun, slow. Doon.
Marked a
Ito.
location.
Magdulutak.
Pick. Aray.
Oh fuck, that hurts.
Pick ka lang, gago ka.
Gawan.
Tumakbo dun.
Marked a location.
Dat pala, prinag ko. May frag dito sa tabi ko. Sayang.
Karong.
Takti kasi Uzi yung barrel kong pangit niya. Enderman, may M4 dito.
Awesome.
Done.
Marked a location. Awesome.
Salamat ka, boy. Magkalaban yung dalawang yan.
Lalakad ah.
I hear someone. Kita ko na siya, Vlad. Nasa harap ko.
Sa ilalim natin.
Nagmolotov!
Fucking shoot him.
May, ano... Babaeng ko to.
Tara. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan yun. The fuck is he?
Where'd he go?
Gago, binobomba tayo.
Baka
Wait,
makit.
level 3 backpack dito.
Got it. I realize mo. Umakit nga.
Akit ulit.
Kabila ko.
Gago, wala dito.
Frog! Nag-voice crack pa ako dun ah. Dito. Sa likod mo. Kala mo ka,
Parehas.
mahilig kang mambomba ah. Let's go. Mag-car
Ay, paubos
kaya
na yung
ako?
amo.
Magkakar ako. Balikan ko yung car ko sa taas. Hoy, wag mo ko iwan, boy.
Wala na akong amo, gago.
Boy, wag mo ko iwan. Kunin ko lang yung car ko, wait lang.
May maamot dito.
Ang good rin na
Marked a vehicle.
sa loob. Magsa-sniper ako. Pang malakasan.
Marked a location.
Oops. Ignore that. Ooh. Oh.
Asan yun?
Ay, sarap.
Wala pang muko sa gitna eh.
Dalawa na lang yun, oh.
Ay, amo. Amo na yun. Nasa tayo dito.
Wala akong bala. Ayun, nevermind.
Saan yung mamot?
Ay! Extended
Oh,
mag.
shit!
Nice one! Balbalagyan ng extended mag yung car. Ano ba yan? Ay, gasto. Ooh, what the? Masakit yun, boy.
Pangit ng ano. Na-drop ko na nga to.
Anong gano'n gamit mo?
Silencer, dinrop ko.
Sakit yun ah. Magkakantuhan naman kami ni Belia sabay.
Sige no.
Pag-uusapan namin kay ni Kasi. Ngungupal na. Madami na naman mga ano sa akin. Buraot. Sa inyo, Vlad, walang nambuburaot sa inyo.
Wala.
Hindi ka nagbabaon. Ba't naman? Hindi kayo kumakain?
Hindi.
Ba't naman? Uy, thank you.
Ay?
Eh, sorry. Tata. Akin na lang yung times 4. Kinuha mo na yung times 6?
Hmm.
Ayan. I need a silencer. Never mind. May 9 ka. Pautang muna.
Meron. Ito may pera dyan.
Never mind. Kala ko nakuha ko na.
Tulang ba?
Kulang 4. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, actually,
I got supplies.
1, 2, 4. Nako po. Ito pwede lagyan ng ano.
Medyo
I got supplies.
makasali ka na rin.
Ano, double sniper ako? Sige ba?
Drop mo yung isa.
Ben?
Mag-MK ka na para dalawa tayo naka-MK.
Well, okay.
I got supplies.
Okay. Pwede pala, no, extended mag sa MK. Extended mag ng sniper sa kanang AR. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yan. Dat pala di ko muna ginastos. Dat bumili na lang ako ng mod.
Ano ba kailangan mo?
4. Upan. Mamalimos po, 4.
I got supplies. I got supplies.
Yun. Ang bayat mo, blood. Oh, boy,
shit.
we're being shot. Being shot at, bro.
May tao sa ano. Ayun, sa bahay.
Let's go. Masasabog na yung ano. Ayun na yun. Next one.
Yaman na yun. Correct. Yaman mo na yan. Mamamatay ka dyan.
Yep, I see he's up in a tree. Hindi ka mananalo sa akin, boy. Uy, dalawa sila dun.
Boy, sumunod ka sa akin.
I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Blood, tignan mo health ko, blood. I'm gonna die!
Oh shit, where the fuck?
Hide me. Wag dyan. May tao dun sa ano, sa mountain. Wag dyan.
Awesome.
Buti na lang. I-cover mo muna, cover me.
Let them
Try.
fight.
Reload. Hindi pa namamatay. Ay, may,
May tao
may
sa
tao
harapan.
doon. Ayun. Sa puno, ayun. Nice one. Patay. Sayang, nakasurvive siguro yung knockdown ko. Or they survived. I mean, nag-count na. Hindi ko lang napansin.
3 more.
Yung mga na-knockdown ko siguro yan.
Move. Actually, this way. We go this way.
He almost got me killed, bruh. Bro, this is dangerous.
Yes, harapan.
Told you. Ay, din one.
Wow.
Dat nag-MK ako eh. Andiyan na sila. Namatay na yung mga na-knockdown ko. They're here.
No.
Nag-count pa yung kill ko at least. Kaso isa naka-survive. Kulang 2 points. Kung tinitibag tayo, Blood.
Wala, di ko kita.
Blood, tinitibag tayo. Mag-ace 4 na ako. Mag-ace 4 na ako, boy. Boy, mag-ace 4 na ako. Boy.
Sige lang.
Dali. And I'm fine with it. How could you make
I
me
made the top
hurt?
3 just now. I got the triple elimination medal.
So
Awesome.
nice. Uy, ang ganda ng damit na, no? Blood. The Lover's what? The Lover's Grace. Follow this guy. Yo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So Blood, anong plano mo sa animation ngayong taon?
Kailang ko.
Wala na siguro kay animation yan, new subject na.
Meron?
Hindi ba kayo nagbabago ng subject tuwing new sem?
Nagbabago. Ano yun eh. Pinalit sa programming, bale specialized subject.
Oh. Blood, ang taming tao. Ang taming dao. Blood, ang daming tao! Blood, I fell down!
Then we fight.
Sige, good luck up there. Next one!
I killed the bitch.
Sige, mga hampas ako. Where are you?
Oh, I'm dead.
No!
Shotgun yun.
Ah! Ah! Ano ka? Oh, blood! Blood! I revenge you, blood! Walang binatbat yung
Nandiyan yung
shotgun mo.
babaeng titignan mo kanina, patayin mo.
Walang binatbat shotgun mo sa akin, boy. Blood, balik ka dito.
Oh!
Never mind. Okay, Vlad, I need to get out of this place. I need to get out of this place. I'm going in the awesome dead.
Nakatutok sa baba.
Salita ka. Paano ka?
Vlad, i-mark mo kaagad.
Ha? Paano ka? Pawis mo!
Saan ako? Saan ako, Vlad? Oh,
Ay,
Wala,
pinamark niya tapos di siya tumalon.
I
Gag.
missed it. I missed it.
See?
Dito na lang tayo.
Sinaway? Ito sa'yo? See? Sino?
Ba't kasi namatay ka?
Hindi ka taratarian.
Naglanding ka sa may Uzi.
Eh, pag
I'm
naglalanding,
recalling a
Wala pa.
teammate.
Kagabi mo lang in-order yun eh.
nakatutok sa baba yung baril ng puto.
Tutok ka na sa baba.
Taktingin Uzi, tas Vector.
Ay naku, utusin nila yan. Kumuha ka lang dyan, tapos sila may iba. Kumuha ka lang dyan ng dadalhin mo, tapos ibalik. Ay, kumuha ka lang dyan na ipapakita mo doon, tapos sila may iba.
I have good news, Blood.
Ano?
Dadating na yung PS3 ko.
Nice.
Oo, sila sa sahig.
We can play COD on the TV.
Nice.
Gumagana pa rin ba yung COD sa PS3? Yung offline server? Or yung online server, I mean.
Campaign.
Oh. Meron pa rin siguro yan. Pero hindi na siguro
Depende ka
ano.
anong Call of Duty.
Hindi na katulad dati na sa internet. Siguro 1v1 na lang sa TV yung gumagana. May ganun ba?
I don't know, man.
I'll find out when I got it. Kaso kasi hindi ko sure kung ano yung mga games eh. Mga pambata eh. Ako na lang, hindi ko nga alam kung may GTA 5 eh.
Wala sa PS3, wala yan.
Ayaw may iba. Sino?
Meron. Sa PS3 kaya lumabas yung GTA 5. Right?
I don't remember, man. It's been too long.
15 years to be exact. Ay, 15 years. Maybe shorter than that, but still. Di, sa PS3 yun. Sa PS3 yun. I bet you my life with that. And bad news, yung Chromebook ko ayaw na mag-on. Nagamit ko pa kanina pag open ko pagkas maligo, ayaw na mag-on. O di mo ko sinasabihan. Ay! May flash hider na ako sa AR. Pinalitan ko ng sniper.
Oh, great.
Ooh. Ooh, times 6. Dapat talaga. Dapat, ay nako, dapat SKS. Dapat talaga MK yung pinambaril ko dun kanina. Nanalo pa tayo.
carrier.
What the f... May gas can ba ako? The one time na kailangan natin gas can, hindi ko dala. Kanina dami-dami kong gas can, di tayo nagkotse. We're getting shot at! Sakto, may monster truck dun. Oh. Let's go.
Oh, level 3.
Yung bala. May crate sa harap dun, oh. Sa bahay. Dito sa ruins.
Marked a location.
Sa exactly harap ko. May ano. May crate. Do we jump up? Oh, I see them.
I do not.
Dun, oh.
Marked a location.
Dun banda. Why'd you shoot?
I hit the fucking rock.
Saan?
Marked a location.
Nakayasar to. We must get them.
Well, he's knocked down.
May isa pa dyan.
Oh, I see him.
I fucking shot the rock.
Oh. Where is
Ano mo,
he?
ang dami kong beses tinamaan yung boto. Harapan na.
Oh, oops.
Anyway.
Knockdown! Pick up pa.
The
Being
fuck,
shot.
tinan mo may bullet ano.
Saan yun?
Tinamaan yung ano, taas.
Saan yun? Mas malakas yung MK, boy. Huwag ka nang pumala. Oh. Saan tayo
Pinatay
binabaril?
ko, hindi pa rin patay.
Oh, I see him. Doon, oh.
Or nanakaw.
Marked a location.
Nanakaw ata
Oh.
yung isang pinatay ko eh.
Nag-glitch.
Oh, we can't hear him.
Diba may glitch?
Never mind, I hear him once.
Doon. Aray! Aray, masakit! Aray, masakit!
Oh shit! Nakatayo
Naka-SR
ata yung ano. pinatay
Naka-SR
natin.
din, boy. Naka-SR din.
Oh, nakatayo. Ayun yung nanakdown ko kanina. Ayun nanakdown ko kanina, naka-SR yun eh.
Oh.
Ayun oh, naglalakad oh. Oh shit, get in the car, get in the car.
Okay. We're gonna die. Come on. Ay, hindi nag-pop up. Come on.
Bayarin mo muna sila bago ka magbigay ng may utang na nila. Ay, utang sila mo eh.
Come on. Oh, no.
Bye.
Fuck.
The fuck, ba't ang bilis mo natin mamatay?
You're still alive. Oh, ang sakit.
Oh.
No,
The
-4.
fuck, ba't ganun? May...
Ben,
Ayun na.
hey.
May bubong naman ng puto.
MVP pa ako nun.
Wala akong kill eh.
Hindi nag-count yung na-knockdown.
Nakatayo. Hindi, nakatayo. Ayun yung nag-snipe sa'yo.
Paano sila nakatayo? Boy. Paano sila nakatayo? Wala naman sila sa revive.
Ewan ko.
Baka may kakampi din natin nakita.
Baka. Dalawa na yun eh. Napatay mo naman yung isa, di ba?
Oh, na-knockdown. Dali. Kung kailan dos na lang kulang ko, naging ano pa, naging 6 pa.
Bakit ang watch ang Redo Healer?
Hey, what's up? Ah, man. Ano yung sabi mo, Vlad? Maging healer ka? Anong tokod?
Yan, no? Redo Healer.
Redo healer mo. Papanoorin mo?
What you mean? I'm watching it. I'm already on episode fucking 5. The fuck you mean?
The fuck? Oo nga, no, pala pinanood ko rin yan. Wala eh,
Yeah,
Vermilion
you
Gold
better
ako
get
eh.
watching then.
Di ko pa nga tapos eh, kasi yung Chromebook ko ay mag-on.
Ba't ang
Pap-
slow mo manood ng ano?
Kasi nga ayaw mag-on, kaabang pa to.
Puta, kaya sa cellphone.
Ayoko. Mas maganda
We will
pag
start
malaki.
jump.
Mas maganda pag malaki. Ay. Kala nga naman sa TV ako manood.
Oh,
Sige. Pag kanesh na, pinapanood mo si
we're
Vlad kasi
going in
sinabi sa
here.
akin.
Dick, we're going in here. Dick first.
Ay, fell down! Ang dami tao! Ah! Ang dami tao! Oh, dead! Dead! Sayang hindi ko na-pick up yung M7. No! We're dead. You might as well just kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Nice one! Saan tayo, boy? Eh, never mind. Oy, may tao dyan papunta.
Okay, be aware.
May tao dyan papunta. I'm already aware, bruh.
Oh.
I'm already aware of my existence. And my endless suffering. And my agony. And my endless love for you. I mean,
Gay.
what are you gonna do about it?
Gonna
Oh,
pause you.
Post me? What the fuck? Oh! Ang yaman ng crate na to ah. Oh, you're
fuck!
dead!
Dalawa.
No!
Dalawa to.
Takbo ako. Takbo ako, sabi
The
mo
fuck,
lang.
they multiplied. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely yes. Go here.
Where? Wow, gusto mo dyan?
Yes.
Kung kailan nandyan yung kalaban?
Yes.
Pag mag-on yung promo ko, boy.
Tanyo na yun siya sa
Kikis
labas,
kita.
di makagat kayo ng aso. Tanyo
Tingnan yan. Paano kaya na-approve yung anime na yan? Hindi siya naging hentai. Oh my, there's gunshots. I'm being shot at. Mag-smoke ba ako? Wag na.
Wag na.
I'm being shot at.
I'm recalling its
Oh, I see them.
Thanks.
Come on, nigga. Ano to? Kickback. Ad. May tao dyan sa gilid. Uy, MK. Oh, gas ka. Dudut 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 dudut. Let's go.
Oh, they're dead.
And if it's quite alright. Pag may hulog yan. Kala kayo hulog mo eh. Tanga. Eh, may gas can pa dito. Oh. Pwede magsabi ka, boy. Boy.
No.
Boy. No.
Antay mo lang siya tayo sa labas. Baka makadagdag.
You mother. Tang. Ayos. Kala mo ka.
Sadya yun.
I know.
Eh, wala tayong SR.
Oh!
Or kahit
Wala.
anong scope.
Meron ako.
Malabas.
Kala mo ka. Full tank na natin to.
Mm-hmm.
Since I'm sure din na natin gagamitin to.
Okay, time to change.
You sut! Takting yan! Santa! Join wish. 107. Oh no.
Oh,
Eh,
we're
dalawa
taking a
tayo.
photo. Oh, we're taking a photo.
Take a pic.
Oh my god.
No!
It actually worked.
Sa'yo ko na lang kukunan yung picture.
I already got it.
Kaya nga, sa'yo ko na lang kukunin. How's light, Ben?
Okay, time to leave.
I have to drink my coffee first, bro. That was garbage. Never mind. Bro, don't leave me. No! Oh! No! Ooh.
Man, I only have one kill.
I have
When
none.
the fuck did I get that?
Yung sa ano?
Payong?
Kung saan ka namatay?
Sino magpapayong?
Oh.
Ay, pasok! Ito gamitin niya.
Tak, may gas can pa dito.
Uy, ikaw, papasukin ko si Libre. Uy, ikaw, pasok, umulan. Wait lang, ito.
Ready ka na mamatay?
Hmm?
Ba't na-damage ka? Nangyari sa'yo?
Sulit na ha, kayo maamo.
Don't know.
There's something in my eye.
Let's come.
Bro, it's black. Oh, hello. Oh, sa anthem eh. Bukas ko pa ata matatapos yung ano eh. Kaso hindi rin kung hindi mag-on. Uy, M249.
Yan.
Wag na.
Pag-order mo na ako sa cellphone mo.
Eh. Gusto ko sa Chromebook.
Hmm.
Parang nga malaki.
Kasi hindi
Diyan
mo
nga,
matatapos.
diyan nga ako nanood ng ano eh. Ng What If eh.
I got supplies.
Kasi may bumili ng
I
ano.
got supplies.
Shotgun. Ay. Okay. Ay, sa'yo ba yun? Wait lang.
Okay.
Bibili mo na ako.
Oh shit, I see someone.
Oh,
Help!
Yeah, I
Bro!
think they see me too.
bro!
I'm dead.
I'm dead. Takte naka-glacier. Takte, kinulang. Ay, never mind. Kala ko kinulang eh. Ace 4. Ace 4. Maglalaro pa tayo.
Last one.
Nice one. Level
Never
83
mind.
na ako. Ha?
Never mind. Nakompleto ko yung missile to. Yung limit.
Sa babay na?
Uy, yung lakas ng ulan.
Oh,
Blade ball.
tara. Gawin mo ulit yung anime.
Ay, naku, lumakas. Tignan mo yung pusa.
Ngayon lang.
Pasok pa talaga na ano.
Ngayon lang lumakas yung ulan sa amin, Vlad.
Tapos dito nilaruan. Galing lang
blood. Wala lang. Minute, no. Hey, speed! Pwede ba lumabas? Taga kung pwede lumabas. Ay, bawal. Blood, meron speed ako. Meron ako speed. Ah, man. Blood! Sa likod mo! Blood!
He's fucking wearing it!
Okay,
Ano yun?
bigay niyo sa akin. Kuha!
May pang freeze ako, boy. May pang freeze ako.
Okay. Freeze it! Yan, freeze it! Freeze!
I tried. I fucking tried.
Use.
It didn't freeze.
You useless.
I have a shield now.
Nice.
Hit it.
Nice.
Okay, I can do it.
Nasaan na yung anime? Where did he go?
Not, obviously not here.
How is he
Ngayon,
wearing
nasuot
it?
niyo. Go.
Oh! I almost did it.
Ang daya kasi suot-suot ang putang. Paano kaya yun?
Pati yung TV ayaw na rin mag-on. No!
Ah. Daya kasi nasusuot eh. Gago tong
Ah,
isa eh.
never mind.
Ito nakakap. Nasusuot niya eh.
Aha! Oh man! Naka-shield din. Ewan. Baka naglalag yung TV. Nice one. Blood, we're gonna lose this, Blood.
Ngayon, no, ito naka-itim. I froze it.
Wait, let me
Wow.
hit it.
Wow. I even froze it.
Frozen. Nice.
Ah.
Nice one. He froze it.
Ngayon, suot niya. Gago.
Frozen. Spam the... Never mind.
No.
Why did I jump? I can freeze it.
Freeze it.
Son of a bitch.
Hit it.
Hit it. Hit it. No. Hit it.
Oh, you can
No!
wear it if you freeze it. You can push it. Pag
Oh.
na-freeze mo, pwede may push.
Fuck. Kaya pala. Give it to me. Give it to me.
I got it.
Do you now? Do you?
Yeah, I only said I got it. I didn't say I'm gonna hit it.
Well, shit. Nice one. Blood.
Okay, I'm just gonna spam it again.
Aha. Ikaw na. Nice. Nice. They're not even trying anymore.
I think the other guy
Why
left.
me? Why me?
The
Why
other guy
me?
left. I think the other guy left.
Nice one. Next one.
Yep.
Why me? Why me? Spam it. Spam the. Nice one. Nice one.
Oh shit! Nag-curve gago. Napunta sa gilid. I can freeze it.
Don't. Freeze it. Freeze it. Freeze it.
Fuck
Nice
you, nigga.
one. Why me? Why always me? Come on. Damn it. Come on. Come on. I have speed.
Fuck you, nigga.
I have speed. Never mind. Hindi ako. I have speed.
Fuck you, nigga.
I have
Bro, he
speed.
froze it back.
What? Who the
Huh?
fuck exploded?
What the fuck happened?
Who exploded? What? Ha?
Yung bola sumabog.
Who exploded? What? Nice one. You
Ow.
exploded. What?
I can freeze it.
What? Hinampas ko sumabog.
Can be creative and I don't know what can they be.
Come on.
And think about what they can be other than weapons because look,
Hey.
it's
Ha?
I don't know, and a whole world.
I have speed, blood. I have
Isa pa tayo,
speed.
that's net.
Next one. Isa pa? Next one.
Papakamatay din.
Oh. Ah, naman. We're gonna lose.
Because oh look at these 10-year anniversary pieces from Harry
Hit it.
Potter, from
Hit it. 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 No.
No! I didn't spam
Yo.
something out
enough.
of bits of gold. So I don't know, we got lots and lots of
No.
No!
head pieces and hair pieces. This is all of the body pieces like
No. Nice.
Ah!
gold skirt, really
Leave the game.
Ah, we're losing.
gold skirt looks like
Leave the game.
these.
Leave the
We're
game.
losing.
Leave the game. Leave the game. What is this?
Holy shit!
What is this?
The only face that
It
Another
happened
amazing
again.
play.
No. Nice.
and it
Nice.
Fuck you!
sometimes you have to match
We are clutching.
pieces. So that limits our options of actual.
No.
No, you fucked it! You fucking bitch!
Nasa taas kasi.
Let's try the head pieces. Oh, there's a scorpion.
You fucking faggot play again.
Animal. So that does not really do as a headpiece or a hat. Tossing it. This is not. And let's see, this one's an actual valid headpiece. I can't remember where this came from, but it's pretty. It's
No.
very pretty. So that one did
We almost got that.
It happened. It happened again.
It awakened.
This bit covers over the only gold that is on her head anyway. And I have to. This is really hard.
Na side by
Whoa.
side yung ano eh. Yung unang best nangyari yun eh.
If we face it like that, it's
Okay, sa akin na lang dapat mangyari yun.
just so nastier. A Loki.
Got this, man.
Maybe we could do
Is it the same guy?
Oh, I got the Loki Loki headpiece.
No.
Somebody's
Is it?
headpiece.
No.
One of the
I don't know.
Brandon's
No, no, no.
helmets.
Nandiyan na yung isa eh.
Doesn't look too terrible on the mini doll. Actually, speaking of
What?
which, the crown
What are they doing?
looks really cute on the mini doll.
I don't think they know how to play.
It has started, so hopefully we're gonna see more of those as we go along. And Egyptian
Okay.
What the fuck are they doing? I think they don't know how to play.
Bro, hit the thing, bro.
We're not getting. It doesn't really suit the tattooy markings on.
Oh, man.
Oh, you got fucked.
That's embarrassing.
They definitely do not know how to play.
What?
Yep.
Yes, they do. Ay, kaso nagsispam lang yung isa eh. Okay. Okay, let's do his strategy. No.
Ah,
Ah, man. Kill that guy.
This hairpiece is actually Salazar.
Oh, I freeze it. But
they
di ko
don't
masuot.
know about it.
What the? What was that? What was that? Blood, it's showing blood. I'm awakening. Blood, I'm awakening.
Walang bakit ang kalaban eh.
Really the only viable option was
I'm awakening. What was that?
just
It's bugging. That's what's happening.
her outfit doesn't work with the markings on her face. So I'm gonna grab
Di ko spam.
the Lego elves thing, which is not all gold, but it's got
Nagbabag
gold
nga eh.
markings
Mga spammers sila eh.
Above.
O, diba? Mga spammers sila eh.
that comes with this head. They've already got gold hair.
Diba?
And that looks so much better, which means we don't have to make a fantasy themed fiddle. And you'll
Nice.
Gago, binalik ko agad.
on it, so that'll work fine. Then I'll just fill it out and maybe
Mga spammer.
feathering. Feathers might be good. We have
I'm the master of this. Never mind.
Oh, never mind.
I retract that. I retract that statement. Gago, sumabog.
Diba? Nagbabag.
Majestic
I'm lagging!
which comes from a
What was that?
No.
Ini-spam kasi. Mga
Oo,
matuduga.
kaya
Aurelia, that's lovely. And she's going to get a
parang hindi natin ginagawa.
with some
Oh.
windy foliage.
I'm wearing it.
So we're gonna have
Ha! Tumalbog sa akin.
we're going with what's available.
No.
That is what we're going with. Alright, so
Ah, hindi ko
Takbo ka lang,
na-scroll yung ano ko.
Vlad. Takbo ka.
these are the biggest plates that I have. We need a base plate to actually build on.
Next one.
Oh shit, bumalik sa naka-shield.
Like I did in the transparent build, too much transparent build.
Why did you freeze it?
Ah, I can't wear it. Can't wear it.
Because otherwise, we could roll on into a whole little
Iba yan.
study as
Dapat nga sa akin pupunta yun eh.
What are we gonna do? We're going to make something. Let's just be like fancy pieces and see if I can make a shape. At the moment,
Oh.
I want it to be kind of symmetrical, maybe like the throne room. Because every time I look at gold, I think regal and throne room.
Oh, come on.
Absolutely, like I said, majestic.
No.
Definitely
We're gonna lose again,
Maganda
bro.
pag may gyro dito eh.
Pegasus that we're gonna build now. The wings of the Pegasus, we're gonna rip them off gently, and then put the wings aside. Which will be
Nice. It almost happened.
Mas maganda talaga pag may gyro.
the curvature is so beautiful. I'm going to see if I can
How did he
make this
freeze it?
into the back for a throne. Okay, so
It's at least that.
Ah, man.
then if I this thing,
Last one to die is gay.
This is tricky. So this round brick piece and then these on the top, and then this will make a lovely seat. 'cause
I might
it's
die because of that.
tile. Look at the different colours, like the shades just in the gold. So these are all just
Next one.
gold.
Motivation ba, boy?
Just stay
Motivation.
away. Just stay away. Just stay away.
Interesting.
Wow, I'm gonna die. Never mind.
Just don't let them get
It's
close.
just shiny with the rings, and I'm going to be using them as much as I can, using all the rings I can to blow this up and just to break up all of those gold pieces.
Oh,
Nice.
oh, I just pulled.
Amazing. It's over.
Nice one.
She could sit on that, but she wasn't very
Again.
It's very difficult for them to sit down. So let's make a frame behind this. So we're not going to be able to make solid walls, but if I make like a
Spam na rin pusa.
tenderly kind of thing, and then break it up with all of these gold rings.
Kakaspawn ko lang po ito pagka
Definition.
ano ko nan kulay pula na agad papunta sa akin.
Dali. Last game.
Gold nuggets in the
I'm awakening. Nagawa ko yung glitch. Kaso sa akin napakabilis eh.
more, maybe more curved bits around to add a frame and shape. So these
Dali.
curly winged pieces are just
Kita mo nandun
so I'm
sila,
going to use
kinuha nila yung
quite a
ano.
few of them. So you see them a lot. They match the curly cues in the fencing pieces as well.
Nagkaspantong sila
So if I do a
Traffic siguro.
angle them too, so maybe another curve around the back. And all of this demonstrates like the whole
Hey, speed.
I can freeze it. I hope it doesn't change.
Magchi-change yan, boy. Hey, shield ako,
I
shield.
can jump.
Shield ako, shield.
I can
Shield
jump.
look us up, connects up basically. Even though it's just
Sila ulit. Uy, sumabog.
What the fuck?
wow, okay, throne room coming together really nice.
O, sumasabog.
What the fuck?
Let's just add some more of the gold nuggets here on either side.
Should have died.
See whatever I can.
Twice.
Oh, and the planks, generally things that are just actually
Nice.
No!
This one.
like the curls going up and down.
Hindi ko nakita yung bolo, inampas ko lang.
To the end of the fencing. Oh, okay. I made
It's mine.
fabulous.
Hit it. Oh!
Aha!
I'm awakening.
So
I'm awakening.
I have like maybe 2 quarters.
Sana may picture ka ng blade ball.
Really shiny gold. I'm gonna use that. Wanted to make it simple.
Oh shit!
Come on. Give it to me.
I can freeze
Give it to me. Never mind. I died. Sayang yung shield.
I can freeze it. I can
What the
freeze
heck?
it. Give it to me.
Give it to me.
She's got a winged path.
Nice. That's
Gotcha.
one.
Sayang go. Sumobot.
Nagbabag nga eh.
Gosh.
He froze it.
No, he's copying me.
Fancy ornaments.
Kala mo ka, gagawin pa sa kanya.
Killed by my
Oy!
own creation.
I had flame, or maybe it's an incense burner. I'm trying to figure out where to put it. I had gold flame.
Incest burner double.
Looks really nice. So
Nice one!
Ah, fuck you, nigga.
Incense tendrils coming out of it. They're imaginary gold.
Oh, nice.
Making a beautiful big
Nice one!
Ah, fuck you.
Put these two pieces
Fuck
together.
you. Oh shit, I was turned around.
So this goes like this.
Give it to me.
and we put another
Never mind.
little ring on the
Sa taas galing.
I told you to give it to me.
Yeah, to hold the
He died.
on the top, and then if I put this on here, I can use it.
What? Sumabog kami dalawa.
Some flowers are all planted. There are no stems involved, so I need to clip it onto the top this bit here rather than sticking it into the pot. Put it stuck in the front.
Blood. Blood, they're tying blood. I died.
Vase. Just put it. Oh, I want to put it here. So if we move that over,
This one.
put it
Wow,
Sumabog sa kanya.
Ang puto sumabog.
fencing. That's incentive.
No, not me. Nasa taas.
Oh, give it to me.
Tumatalon sila eh.
Give it to me. Ah, I have speed.
Oh my gosh. Now, I don't want it symmetrical now. I want to put
I fucking missed it.
on this side. I want to see if we can hang something. from
Nice.
the tendril.
I have speed.
I wonder if I can make a lantern hang
I have speed. Give it to me. I have speed.
No.
I have speed. Give it to me.
this here. I want
Speed. Never mind. I died.
tassel. You can't have enough gold tassels. I just want to
I have shield. I have shield. I have shield.
do one of these plant tendril things like I have already in there, but I can't put it on with a clip because I don't have a double.
Where'd the
Where's
ball
it
go?
going?
Where'd the ball go? What the fuck?
No.
Stick it through. Get one of these things in the
Ah, man, di ka na pindot yung shield.
God, naliligo yung bolong puto.
There's a hole in it.
Give the ball to me.
Okay, and ornament the top with
Never
Oh,
mind.
why? I just spawned.
pieces.
That's a reoccurring theme, man.
We'll just put this one like pre-prepared earlier.
Man,
We just prepared. We'll take out the unprepared
that kasi, ano, advance ng pindutin.
things right now. So
Ah, I shouldn't have done that.
Advance nga pipindot eh.
we'll start at the back. So
Advance!
It's yours.
I'll just keep fiddling with it. No, it's all. It's good. It's all good. So
This one.
the one side, the lantern, the other side, over here. Okay.
Blood.
And
This
then
one.
we use the
Huh?
Napatay mo yung naka-shield. How did that happen?
if I can figure out how to suspend it.
Oh, nice
So
one.
if I put these
Never mind, never
Napipindot
mind.
yung link.
folded pieces, I can sit it on top of that. So maybe
Where the heck is this guy going?
glory kind of bits look like feathers out the back,
Dunno.
and then some clips on here.
Fucking trying to floor the ball.
The ground, I think.
Dun, he died.
Ayun, nahabol.
Comfort, extra added comfort, and then a whole
Ah,
they're
buying time.
because these are
Fuckers.
These sons of... This one. Now they don't have to buy time, you idiot.
Ah.
But,
Ow.
Ting and blood, that was our only chance.
That's really great. Okay, she's got a bed, and we got our little mat.
You froze it. You idiot.
And then this will maybe tie this in, making it its own little separate room.
They're
but
copying my technique. How dare they?
No, that's too close. That's too close to the other plant tendril. Okay, look at that. We're making walls without actually making walls. It's like we have to do the walls.
Nakaindiyan ko ano ako tubig na palamig na.
Do you know why she
He froze it.
I figured out that I can basically make this is a heart.
Ah, I died.
This build is from
You should have learned from me.
But it wasn't all in gold, so I've had to adapt it a little bit. with the
Oh,
gold
shit.
pieces that I have.
Stay away, stay away, stay away, stay the fuck away.
But it will hold together.
Last to die is gay.
This one,
Never mind, ako pala yun.
and then because there's a bit sticking out the bottom, we can just put a plant.
Stay away.
Fuck you, nigga, fuck you, fuck you.
Last one to die is gay, right?
And she's gonna need a seat so it's comfortable. Oh, this bit's
Yeah, I have 11 kills, fuck you.
It's very pretty, but and it's on gold tile, so we're just adding a bit of colour with the stickers. On this side, the big spot, we're making a big ceremonial table. And for that, we can use this big wheel hub.
Nice.
But there are no actual connectors on this, so I want to see if I can use these
Ow, my hand hurts.
wheel pieces. And
My hand hurts
attach them all with a
from
stick.
spamming.
Put a stick through it.
Punong-puno na ng pawis yung screen ko.
And I'm gonna need the stub to attach it to
We didn't even win, what the fuck you mean?
I stick it in between the stubs.
Yeah, bye-bye na. That was all your fault, by the way.
Alright, and to
Boy, tignan mo yung tignan, wait, tignan natin yung ano, may pre-order pack, no?
through,
Ibig sabihin,
and then
ready ka na mag-recharge.
Saan?
the top,
Event?
it's totally
Yan, may pre-order pack na ng ano, next season, ay next RP.
and
Ah,
use
di ko lang.
separate
Tignan natin.
pieces, which is my
Pre-order
my
perks.
safe cheat for these builds because they're see-through, they're no color at all. So they are going to be holding it in place. Oh, I put some curved cushiony pieces of
Titignan na lang.
Ganda. Napapalitan din ng kulay.
Mas maganda ka. Ay.
This might have to move my wing.
Papalitan din ng kulay. Sana ayun yung nasa 100.
Hey,
Ay,
Hindi
sana
nasa
hindi.
bonus.
Sana hindi.
three of them, so having got
Sana sa 50. Non-unfair, no?
little seats on the other two sides. So
Sige na, babay na.
So yeah, no
Kupal ka.
seats. I've got matching one I think I can do for the other side in here, except it's a brighter gold. I know, and it's just a little bit off, and I don't know how to get these off the base plate. It's so hard to get off. I'm just going to separate it. I'm going to stick it in the top and just kind of leave it off. So I put it there. Oh, that's wrong too. No,
I got the hoverboard.
that's the angle. Okay, yeah, it is. That is perfectly placed around the table. Oh, and she even sits there nicely. Oh my gosh. All right, that's a little bit cluttered, but I don't care. Just don't care. All right, so this is as much as I can possibly fit into this space. I'm honestly surprised that we can even get this far with the gold pieces we have and make something that has ended up being quite cohesive and very Elmsy styled. Oh, and she needs a cat. Of course she needs a cat because we have so let's give her a companion. We'll put it here, maybe, I don't know, maybe another seat. Let's put it over there. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Right, a too much gold build, which I feared was going to be a not enough gold build, actually has turned out well. Certainly not mean anything. Just goes to show you've got to have faith. I don't know.
Bonus ticket to.